Hi, welcome to the wedding of Aimee and James, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose an emerald green colour scheme. The outdoor ceremony was dressed beautifully with wisteria trees and a hoop backdrop. The aisle chairs were draped in emerald green and there were wooden lanterns for a rustic touch. This look was mirrored elegantly in the reception room, with the same chair drapes and matching table runner beneath black frame centrepieces holding extravagant floral displays. Each guest had a personalised wooden name placement and emerald green napkin. The cake was 2 tiers with a cream base and green brushstroke design. It's decorated with white roses and eucalyptus leaves, topped with a Mr and Mrs Phillips sign. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
With tears in my eyes, family all around us, blue summer skies. First dance together, spinning round and round. Our favorite song playing, feet barely touch the ground. Everyone we love here, the moment crystal clear. Two hearts united now, making our sacred vow. This was the best day of my life. Everything felt so right when you held me tight. This was the best day of my life. Looking back on photographs, every moment makes me laugh. All the little things we planned came together hand in hand. This was the best day of my life. Everything felt so right when you held me tight. This was the best day of my life. This was the best day of my life. Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, hey, keep giving you all my love. Nothing's ever been so easy, I can't help but say. You got me in my feels, got me feeling some type of way. Hey, take away, take away, take away, yeah, you can take everything. As long as you are with me, it'll be okay. Hey, yeah. I just want you right here.
Thanks for watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centrepieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, Let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.